What's up guys, this is the Infinix Note 7, the top tier device of the Infinix lineup, and this device looks pretty good. As you can see, it has its pros and cons, and that's what we're going to talk about. But first of all, we are going to talk about the cons before the pros, because I think the pros are more than the cons. The first con of this device, and the biggest of all the cons, is the display of this device. I expected to have an AMOLED display and a 1080p Full HD Plus display on this device, but to my surprise, I found out that this is a 720 display and it is an IPS LCD screen. I wonder why they would do that, because their Note 6 of last year had an AMOLED display and a 1080p screen. Even the Infinix S5 Pro of this year had a 1080p screen. So that got me so disappointed, because this was supposed to be their highest tier smartphone. But anyways, it is what it is. Bear it in mind that this device does not have a stylus, aka the X Pen, but I don't have a problem with that. But it's good, you know. What do you think? Do you prefer having it without a stylus, or you prefer having the stylus incorporated? Another con of this device is that there's no Type-C USB port, so we have the old micro USB connector, even though they said that it supports 18-watt fast charging. So that should be a video for another day to test the charging speed. So please make sure you subscribe and stick around so you don't miss out. So I think that's all for the con of this device. So let's check out the pros, what makes this device good and worth it. We have Android 10 here running under Infinix Skin XOS 6, and the chipset we have here is the MediaTek Helio G70 chipset along with the Mali G52 2EMC2 GPU. We have a 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage along with the expandable SD card slot. We have a 5000 mAh battery and it is capable of 18-watt fast charging, which is a good thing. We still have the 3.5mm audio jack, and there's 2 loudspeakers to improve the sound quality. And for the design of this device, I would give it a 6 out of 10. It looks pretty good and it is better than some of the designs of some devices that we have seen. I like how solid and compact it feels. I think it's one of the best designs that Infinix have ever made. And if I were to use this device, I wouldn't put a case on the device, because it is my own way of appreciating the good design of a device. This device should be able to handle most of your everyday tasks, and I think it should be able to give a decent gaming experience, but we can't be so sure, so we have to test it out to find out, and that should be a video for another day. So please make sure you stick around so you don't miss out. For the rear cameras, we have a quad camera setup going on here with a 48 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel depth camera, and a 2 megapixel dedicated video camera. For the selfie camera, it is a punch hole technology that is equipped with 16 megapixel f2.0 lens that is capable of shooting 1080p video at 30 fps. Without further ado, let us test out these cameras real quick. So the first one will be the AI camera. Alright, let's do it. And now for the bokeh or portrait mode. And then the macro mode. Finally, let's take some selfies real quick. What do you guys think about the image quality of the Infinix Note 7? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. For me, I think the S5 Pro takes better selfies. Check out this image from the S5 Pro selfie camera. Looks better, right? With that being said, that's all for the review of the Infinix Note 7. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. My name is Peace, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.